That, folks, is the hole for the access to the roof. It's about as big as that, actually technically it's the same size. It's going to be roughly 2 feet by 4 feet. So the roof access will actually also be a window. That gives us 2 skylights right here in the living area. What's left now is just to throw a tarp over it. But I wanted to get it done, the cutting done, before we do the painting tomorrow. We're going to try to paint the bottom half of the bus. And I want to minimize all the cutting and grinding after that. So, and windows going in, things like that. So that's where we're at. I'm going to pause. I'm not going to show me throwing a tarp over it because will be me throwing what looks like a blue sheet on it. If you don't know what a tarp is, pay somebody else to do your bus conversion. So here's what we got. The brown piece was to fill in a hole because the emergency hatch that used to be there was actually a little bigger than the hatch we put in. So we put that black tar. That's flashing adhesive. It's like a tarry, very tarry. Whatever you get it on, it's going to make a mess. We put a bunch of that in there, going around, pretty much all the way around for the most part. And then we pop riveted it. We are also going to put tape on top of this, and that's the roofing tape. Flex tape kind of stuff. But we're going to let this stuff dry right now. So I think we'll do that out tomorrow. But that's where we're at. And then we'll probably also tomorrow take off that piece of plexi over there and get her taken off and replaced. So that's where we're at.